What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So take a look at this, y'all. Super bullish news on Shiba Inu and new use case, new adoption. That's what it's about, man. I know we're in a bear market and prices aren't the best, but as long as we are moving forward, that's what's important. But before we get into that, you know I got to give a shout out to Vegas Inu Token. This is our first community project. If you haven't heard of us by now, you absolutely should be checking in. Just yesterday, or not even yesterday, this morning, we hit a $2 million market cap for the first time in only a few hours after breaking through our first $1 million market cap level. So connect the dots, man. Not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. And y'all know, never risk more than you're willing to lose. But come check us out. Give us a follow at Vegas Inu Token. You don't want to miss out on what's going on. We have the strongest, closest knit crypto family that I've seen this entire year. And it's only just beginning. So we just hit 632 followers. Come join us. These, it might look like a small number, but remember, this is all organic. We're building from the ground up, building a solid foundation. So come give us a follow. Also join our Telegram link. Those links will be in the description section. Let me show you the chart real quick on what's taking place. So look at our chart right now. This is where we started at, from very humble beginnings, blasted up to a $2 million market cap from a $1 million market cap. So we had to cool off from that point. So we got a nice little pullback that's going on right now, but as you can see, the community is stepping up to regain that $2 million market cap level. Right now we are sitting at a $1.6 million market cap. Let me show y'all that. $1.6 million market cap with 138,000 in liquidity and 356 holders with $70,000 in volume in the last 24 hours. Now remember, we are only on day 6, so we're not even a week old yet, and the price is at, we just deleted a zero yesterday, and the price is at 501601, and we're up 37% in the last 24 hours. We were one of the top gainers, top 5 gainers. We were number 2 position 2 days in a row, today and yesterday. Of course, we cooling off right now, but a lot of things happening with the project. You want to come connect the dots. But take a look at this, y'all. Shiba Inu is now able to be used at Ferrari. This is crazy. So Ferrari confirms to accept XRP Shiba Inu for luxury cars in the US. You know what's going to happen this next bull run? It's going to be a lot of when Ferrari, going on. So connect the dots, y'all. The legendary luxury car brand Ferrari has confirmed intentions to begin accepting cryptocurrencies such as XRP, Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu in exchange for luxury cars. According to a statement from Ferrari's top executive, the firm Ferrari has embarked on a new expansion move. Specifically, the venture would see Ferrari accept cryptocurrency as payment for its luxury sport cars in the United States. So obviously it's starting, in the States, and will branch out to other places as they, test it out and see how it goes. But obviously this is going to be bullish. During the last bull run, the crypto bros and, sisters were really stimulating the economy in some of these more luxury, type of spaces, when it comes to, expensive things. So, they're going to open their doors, for this and start to, prep themselves for this next bull run that's coming up. Now, I don't know when it's coming up. I don't have a crystal ball here, but we see a lot of preparation, a lot of people positioning themselves for this next bull run, from regulators to businesses to, crypto people, investors. It's a lot of things taking place. You even see the Bitcoin ETFs and, these big, large funds, starting to position themselves. Y'all got to connect the dots on what's taking place. So Ferrari's chief marketing and commercial officer, Enrico G, confirmed the strategic move during an interview with Reuters. The executive noted that Ferrari plans to expand the offering to Europe in response to requests from their affluent clientele. Ferrari accepting XRP and SHIB. According to Galliera, Ferrari's decision to accept cryptocurrency came amid market demand and the requests of dealers, many of whom have clients heavily invested in cryptocurrencies. The Ferrari marketing officer noted that the clients encompassed a broad spectrum, from younger to more traditional investors. Some are young investors who have built up their fortunes around cryptocurrencies. Some others are more traditional investors who want to diversify their portfolios, Galeria remarked. Notably, the Ferrari marketing executive did not explicitly mention a target crypto the firm will exchange for luxury cars. It implies the firm is open to accepting prominent and top-ranked cryptocurrencies such as XRP, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Moreover, Ferrari has partnered with BitPay, one of the leading crypto payment processors, to facilitate card payment transactions with XRP, SHIB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and significant stablecoins. Also, the Ferrari marketing executive stated no price adjustment fees or surcharges for customers opting to pay with cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, Ferrari's chief marketer did not specify the number of cars they anticipated selling through cryptocurrency, yet Galliera mentioned that the order portfolio is robust and booked well into 2025. Sheesh. And that tells us a lot, you know. There's Ferraris booked all the way up into 2025. So, you know, what does that mean? There's still a lot of, you know, people in the space with big bags. And when the bull run does start, these people are going to, you know, add fluid or, you know, accelerant to what's already going on because they're going to get more active. This shows there's not a, you know, of course there's less liquidity, but we still have whales in the space. And these whales are going to, you know, increase, you know, volatility, volume, and that's going to be attractive for the space and, you know, pull even more people in. So these people have their funds ready to go. They're just waiting for, you know, things to get better. And we already see some of these whales, you know, deciding to purchase $33 million worth of Shiba Inu. You know, that's crazy to do that in one purchase. You know, that shows you have a lot of confidence in Shiba Inu for some reason. A $33 million purchase is not something you just do on a whim. You have to, you know, truly expect something, you know, to give you a return on your investment in order to be that confident to just drop $33 million on a cryptocurrency. But, you know, it says emphatically, Ferrari views accepting crypto as a means to connect with potential customers who may not have considered owning a Ferrari otherwise. Quote, this will help us connect to people who are not necessarily our clients, but might afford a Ferrari, Galliera remarked. So I think that's really smart on the marketing sides we have, because, you know, sometimes when the bull market is high, that money can burn a hole in people's pocket, you know, and they just want to do something with it. You know, they just want to, you know, be able to spend it somewhere, you know, but actually in crypto without having to cash it out. And, you know, let's say if someone makes $30 million on a cryptocurrency play, $50 million, they may say, you know, hey, I'm going to buy a Ferrari. You know, I want to buy it in crypto right now. You know, who's willing to accept that? Or, you know, I want to buy a luxury car in general with cryptocurrency right now. Who's willing to accept it? And now that Ferrari does, they might become a new option for, you know, potential investors. So, yeah, this is crazy, y'all. This is major news right here. Super bullish, man. This is just the beginning. Because think about it. When prestige companies like Ferrari show that they're willing to accept crypto, and not even just crypto, but Shiba Inu, y'all. Shout out to the SHIB army. That's a bullish sign for, you know, other businesses and prestige brands to be willing to accept SHIB as well. So that's just opening up the door for us. So shout out to Ferrari for that. That's all we got for this one. But before we go, let's check out the prices in the market. We got the overall crypto market cap basically flat. It's definitely at 0.00%. So it's rare we see it all the way flat like that. Usually it's a little bit in either direction. But we got it right now at $1.05 trillion. We got Bitcoin at 26,885, Ethereum at 1553, BNB at 207, XRP at 48 cents, Solana at 21.93, Cardano at 24 cents, Doge at 5 cents, Tron at 8 cents, Timecoin at 193, Matic at 51 cents, DOT at 371, Litecoin at 61.60, BCH at 214, and Shiba Inu 18th place by market cap 50704, up 1.16% on the day. So SHIB army, you know, got a little green for the day. Nothing major, but 1% is better than 0%. But really the best thing to do in times like this, not financial advice, obviously, you know, do your own due diligence, never risk more than you're willing to lose, is to, if it's something you believe in, accumulate. Buy it on discount. Remember, Bone was a lot higher. You know, just because it's down right now to 74 cents. Let's just go back 1 month. 1 month ago, Bone was at 92 cents. Let's just see the all-time, not the all-time, but the last year high for Bone was $2.02. So if you're bullish on Bone, look at, you know, look at where it is now from, you know, it's high. So sometimes it can look bad, but really you have to look at it as a discount. So that way, you know, it doesn't emotionally affect you and you can actually recognize it for what it truly is. Especially if you know the community hasn't changed, you know the development team hasn't changed. Nothing major, substantial happened with the project where anything changed. That just means, you know, people are moving money around. Some people get impatient. You know, they sell their positions for a loss or, you know, to break even, and they find something else, or they just, you know, get out of the markets. But you being patient could really pay off. Now, it's not financial advice. You can do whatever you want because, you know, different strategies work. You know, one thing to do in a bear market also is to be a short-term trader. You know, someone who takes profits, but in the long term, we know that long-term investors usually make more because it's harder to time the markets. Warren Buffett says it's better to have time in the market than trying to time the market. So, you know, keep that in mind. But we about to get up out of here. Just want to drop Vegas Inu token on y'all one more time before we go. Come give us a follow, show us some love. Even if you aren't joining the project and actually buying in, just come show us some support. You know, this is my first project, so, you know, I would appreciate everybody who truly does rock with me too. You know, just come leave a little love, man. So let's take a look at the chart real quick. Let's see what's going on. Okay, nice. So you see the dip is being picked up even further right now. So the price at 16.08 right now. So that's all we got for this one. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Don't forget to check out Vegas Inu token, and we are